Good afternoon, YouTube. Something a little different today. Ordered some tooling. So I'm just going to do a bit of an unboxing. These are obviously, as you can tell, the highest quality Chinese 12mm tools. And yeah, we'll see what's inside. They're all the same tip. We'll take these. Let's have a look. They all use this style of tip. They're all 12mm shank. I think a pack of these I see from China was about $2.99. So yeah, quality remains to be seen, but obviously here we got bore and bar. Obviously, you know, not the most exciting thing in the world, are they? But they have the purpose. Stick a tip in. Yeah, the fitment of the tip in the holder looks alright. Finish looks alright as well. Yeah, it's essentially a chamfer tool. Again, the fitment in there is actually pretty good. So then that means one of these will be, now there's two of these, one for one left hand, one right hand. Which again, they've all got a use, haven't they? Quite good how each tool comes with a key, but they're all the same, so slightly unnecessary but very handy at the same time. Can't remember what I paid for this exactly, I will check in a second. There we go. So there's a left hand cutter, a right hand cutter, and a boring bar. All 12mm shanks, as you can see. 12-12. I don't know if you can see. Can you see that there? Come on. Yeah, there you go. You can just see it. 12-12. Which is just 12mm by 12mm. As to how good they are, we'll have to wait until my lathe is ready. So I'll do a quick little video on that. Yeah, tip tooling is for a hobbyist is a bit unnecessary, or it was. But with the price of these and how the pricing has changed considerably, there's no real reason why you can't. I mean, this set here at 12mm by 12mm was, I'm now checking, £16 delivered from eBay. I mean, you can't argue with that, really, can you? If you was going to buy one of those from various other places, suppliers who we deal with at work, you'd be looking at perhaps £30 to £40 each, maybe. It'd be a slightly thicker shank, but yeah. Yeah, quite happy with those. Very pleased. They turned up quite quickly, and like I said, the tips, they're about £3 or £4 if you order a box. I mean, they're not the best quality, but they are, for what I do at home, ideal. So yeah, there we go. Take care.